In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create static ads for an iPhone with Claude Code. So to do that, we need to go to Claude Code, and here, as you can see, I'm working in the folder Claude Ads Tutorial, and here in the folder Claude Ads Tutorial, I have the folder reference and then the folder products where I have this image. So let's tell to Claude, I want you to make 5 static ads for the iPhone in the reference products folder. Now I'm going to put something like use the best templates for this type of products. So now we just have to press enter, and now we have to wait a little bit. Perfect, here Claude did the analysis for the best static ads that can be done for this product, and now it's asking me if I want an example or the 5 of them at once. So I'm going to select the first option because I want the 5 of them at once. So let's click here, and now we have to wait a little bit. Perfect, here we have the result. So now let's see them. So this is the first ad that looks amazing. I really like it. The next one is this one that looks great, but in my personal opinion, it looks like too small, but we can modify it. So don't be careful about that. Now we have this ad that looks amazing. This other that as well, I really like it. And finally, this one that looks really clean. So I'm going to tell to Claude that the museum exhibit ad looks too far. Do a zoom in. Now let's press enter. And now we have to wait a little bit for the final result. Perfect. Here we have the new result with the zoom in, and I really like it. So well, if you like it, the ads, I want to tell you that in the comment section, I'm going to put a tutorial where I teach you how to set up Claude to create this type of ads. So I recommend you to see that tutorial. And well, after saying that, see you in the next video.